Okay, so we have to handle this situation. We have to write down equation of normal when you will have point. Okay, so in this case you will have a point on the curve to which you have to drop equation of normal. In second situation, what will happen? You will be taking parametric point on the curve, and then you will write down equation of normal, and then slope form. They will be giving you the slope of the normal to which you have to drop down equation of line. Now how we will respond to these cases? Now look at this. So to solve these questions, you will be taking help of equation of tangent. So suppose that you have a curve and you have point on it. So I am talking about the first case. So if you have a point on the curve, can you write down equation of tangent by using t equals to 0? Done. So you got your tangent. Okay, now you know that slope of tangent into slope of normal is -1. You can find out slope of tangent because of this equation. So you can find out slope of normal, correct? Suppose that you got slope of normal and you have a point on the curve. So can you use slope point form to write down equation of line, correct? Okay, now go with parametric form. So what will happen in parametric form? Again you will be imagining you have to imagine a point on the curve in parametric form. Okay, so you know that it is x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1. So how will you imagine a point? You will take help of sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So it is a cos theta comma b sine theta. So this is your parametric form. So point is already on the curve, so you can put t equals to 0. You got equation of tangent, correct? Now if you got equation of tangent, you can use relationship of slope of tangent and slope of normal to find out slope of normal, correct? Now if you got slope of normal, you got a point on the curve. Now you can write down equation of normal, correct? Now how we will handle slope form? So if you have to handle slope form, so what you have to do, ignore the slope, just imagine equation of, you have to imagine parametric point on the curve. Put t equals to 0, you will get equation of tangent. Now from equation of tangent, find slope of normal. Okay, now compare your slope of normal with their given slope. So you will get your perpendicular base and hypotenuse. Now you can update your equation. Is that clear? Like you will have better clarity when we will solve some illustrations. Okay, but this is the idea behind those questions, handling those situations. Okay.